y'all, it's Mary, and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats, and I'm going to do this mask today. And let's start putting it on and I'll tell you about it. I am doing a collab with Kim's Happy Place. It's just the two of us. We're gonna do Mask Monday together, and she sent me this really cute mask. I'm interested to get it on. Let's see what it looks like. It looks cool. It's the, it's Appeal brand. And it's a mermaid mask, it says. So let's see what it looks like. I'm anxious to see it. It doesn't have much of a scent. It is a full face mask. I wasn't sure because it looks like it. I'll show you in a minute out of the picture. It smells good. I don't know where Kim got this mask, but she's like, let's do a collab together. So we're doing a collab, and we're gonna, of course, do a giveaway. We'll do 5 sheet masks. I'll show you that in a little bit here. And I also have some friend mail to show you. Okay, so let me get this on. This is pretty. Thank you, Kim. This is pretty. It's a little tangled up there. Get my eyes in there correctly. You know, Kim, I have known Kim since before I started my channel, y'all. Kim's Happy Place. I'm sure y'all know her, but if you don't, I'll have her in the description for you to go find her. And I've known her since before I started my channel. Some of you may already know because I've told this story before, but I had started to get Fab Fit Fun, and I wanted to know more about Fab Fit Fun, and when you plug that into Google, up came a bunch of YouTube videos, and I started watching people, and I have made some good friends with those people along the way, and I started to get other subscription boxes because I was watching people and seeing what they were getting. I really didn't know much about the boxing world, the subscription box world. And I really was enjoying it, and I'll tell you, I've never in my life thought I ever would do something like this. But on Kim's Happy Place, I won a giveaway. So I said to her, and I also said to a couple of other channels, what do you think if I start a channel? And they all encouraged me. They said, go for it. So I did, and I'm still here. So that was a couple of years back. This is really pretty, Kim. Like I said, I don't know where she found it. Maybe on Amazon, but I like it. See, now how this is, I thought by the picture it might just be an eye mask kind of a thing, but it ended up being a whole face mask, which is very nice. It feels really good. I've had the brand Appeal many times before, and I really like it. And they do have a lot of pretty masks to choose from. So this one is 100% vegan and cruelty-free, glowing and hydrating. Boy, it feels very hydrating. It says that it has a floral essence and it's blue marine complex, which the blue marine is what I've been learning a lot about that lately. It seems to be the thing. So, a really good thing for your skin. I like this mask. It's big. You know, some masks only, cut off like right about here. And this actually goes under your chin a little bit, which I think is good. And I have a big face. So if you have a small face, it'll cover more and you'll get more essence or more coverage. But yeah, I have a big face. So I'm happy to have one that fits me. That is too big, that not too big, but you know what I mean. That covers everything. Let's put it that way. Because you want to get everything moisturized when you're doing a mask. All right. Okay, so that is really nice. Thank you, Kim. So yeah, Kim encouraged me to start my own channel. So, and ever since, like I said before, my channel, I've been friends with Kim. So, and I talk with her every day. I'm in a group with her and Jean Louise and Patty's Place. And I have friend mail from Patty's Place, which I'm going to open. And, yeah, we have a good time gabbing back and forth and all. So this says to leave it on for 20 minutes. You're supposed to wash your face first, clean your skin before you use a mask. I hope y'all are doing something to take care of your skin. to take care of yourself, you know, a few minutes out of your day to do something like this. And yeah. Okay, so I'm just reading what it says in the back. It comfortably adheres to the face like a second skin. Tightly heals in the moisture, it says. It says a lot of things. Mask for some fun to your skin. Formulated without animal oil, mineral oil, parabens, and petrolatum. So it says take better care of your skin with Appeal. You can see there's the name. I'm sure y'all have seen that name before. So, okay. So I have some friend mail from Patty. This is, Patty is Patty's Place, and I will put her in the description as well. Patty has a channel, and she does unboxings. And also, she does some cooking, which I really enjoy her cooking. And also, her husband sometime will cook for us. And they're just good people. Good people. Go see them. And I just love Patty, and I love Kim, and I love Jean. Okay, here is my package. I did cut it open. Let's see what's in here. She had Patty goes to, oh, how cool. Patty goes to Las Vegas. She lives in California, so they take weekends here and there and go to Las Vegas. She sent me a card. Excuse me. Patty's Place. Isn't that pretty? I wonder where this card came from. I sent these cards to Patty. I had them made for her. Aren't they pretty? Mary, just a couple of cheesy Vegas things I picked up on our last trip. You see, even when I'm away, I'm thinking of my friends. Love you, Patty. Lola and Bella. Patty's has Lola and Bella, and they are usually, she films in her bedroom, and they're usually on the bed behind her, and they get involved sometimes. Sometimes they like to help her unwrap things. They're so cute. Cute little puppies, cute little dogs. So thank you, Patty. That's so sweet. But yeah, that's a really pretty card, Patty. I like that. And let's see. Oh, this is, oh, what is it? Oh, there's a few things. Okay. This is really cool. You know, we love bags. This is really cool, Patty. Look at that. It's the old-fashioned Las Vegas logo. Or is that still, do they still have that logo? I mean, not logo. You know, what do you call it? When you enter, welcome to fabulous Las Vegas. Do they still have that sign there, Patty? I know that's, you know, been around a long time. So I don't know if they, you know how they remodel things and then they take away the old stuff. I like old stuff myself. That is so cool. And the back is the same. And this is a really cool bag. It has nice handles, and it's nice and wide. It's a nice, you know, it's like that linen style. It's 100% cotton, it says on it. And this is big. You know, it's wide this way. It's deep this way. Probably like, you know, the whisk bags. And then it's a bit wider than the whisk bag. Because I think that's, yeah, I think that's wider. So that'll hold more groceries or whatever you're carrying. Nice handles. See, that can go on your shoulder too. Thank you, Patty. I love that. And look at the cool tag. I might leave that on because I love it. It says, welcome to Las Vegas. I love that. It does say it's 100% cotton. And you can wash it and hang it to dry. That is really cool. Thank you, Patty. I love it. And there's something else in here. It says, I know it's kind of early for Christmas, but I had to get it. LOL. Okay. Oh, is that cool? Here, let me take it out of the plastic because that probably has, you know, some shine to it or whatever you want to call it. Oops. It's taped. It's taped in there. Hang on. Give me a minute. Yeah, it's taped in there. Here, I've got my scissor right here. So how are y'all? Are y'all taking care of yourself today? If not today, do it at least one day a week. At least one day a week. I try to wear a mask, you know, a few times a week because it's really moisturizing for your skin. This is so cool, Patty. It is Happy Holidays, and there's Santa. It says, welcome to Vegas. And it is tacked on here. Oh, here, let me see if I can. Oh, it's like a metal. Oh, I love it. It's that brass kind of a that's nice. A brass Christmas ornament. Thank you, Patty. That is so cute. Las Vegas. I have been to Las Vegas only one time, but it was a lot of fun. This is really cute, y'all. It's got, for the trees, it has palm trees. Let me put it back against the black. You might can see it better. It has these palm trees for the trees. And then look at that cute little star that's hanging. Isn't that cute by Santa's face? I love Santa. He looks like the good old-fashioned Santa. Happy holidays. Thank you, Patty. It's never too early for Christmas in my book. That is so cool. Thank you, Patty. It's so nice of you to think of us. So nice of you to think of us. Okay, y'all, it's getting, the video's getting a bit long, so let me, excuse me, let me show you what the giveaway is. Now, just say, this is not a secret, although I don't think it's in the title, but you know if we're doing a collab, we're probably doing a giveaway. So we have 5 sheet masks, and just the usual rules. My rules are always in the description. Listen to Kim for her rules, although I think they're about the same. You just need to be 18 years or older in the continental United States for me to mail this to you. And YouTube is not responsible for this giveaway at all. This is things that I have bought myself. And what else? There's always more. There's always more. That's why I have it in the description. I will, let me think, what was I going to say now? Smudge jumped up. Anyway, let me show you the giveaway, okay? I have 5 masks for you. I've got this wonderful Esfolio Collagen Essence mask. This is the cutest mask. It's got the little piggy on it. These Esfolio masks are lovely masks. And, you know, most masks are really nice masks. You know, we like a lot of different masks. And several of these I got from Amazon or, you know, other you know, boxes or something. Maybe not boxes, STYLVANA. I think I got this one from STYLVANA. This is a, let's see the brand. Dermal. The brand is Dermal. There it is at the top. And this is a Seaweed Collagen Essence Mask. So some good collagen stuff going on for you there. This one I got from Suni. They are on Instagram, and they do a lot of giveaways, and I won a giveaway from them, and I won a month of masks, and this is so pretty. It's Baru Lab, B-A-R-U Lab. This is a tea tree mask. Look how pretty that packaging is. Love it, love it, love it. And then this one is Tony Moly, and it's the I'm Red Wine mask. I have had a bunch of these, and I love them. The Tony Moly masks, some masks are thicker, some masks are thinner, and these are nice and thin. Excuse me, nice and thin. And they adhere to your skin very well. And then, y'all, one of my favorite companies, and I think they went out of business recently, Skin Forum, SF. This is the Sun's Out, Pouts Out. This is a lip mask. And this is in a, what do you call it, design? Why does that just leave my head? It's gold foil, and it has a animal print. So those are the 5 masks, and just say, don't say mask, because I did that last time, and it was Mask Monday, so people were saying Happy Mask Monday. So if you want to enter this giveaway, say Kim, K-I-M, since I'm in the collab with Kim. The friend mail did not have anything to do with the collab. I'm just showing it to you because it's Mask Monday. So Kim and I are in the collab together. So go see Kim to see her video and to enter her giveaway as well. And then go see Patty too. You'll like Patty's channel as well. We all do unboxings, and then we do some other things. Kim does some get ready with me's and some makeup things. And Patty, like I said, does some cooking. I do some reviews. I mostly do unboxings. That's what I do, don't I? Yeah, and Mask Mondays. And I have my Friday Night Gab. Oh, by the way, if you've missed it, my Friday Night Gab this past week was a live, and I had a lot of buffering issues, and I hate when that happens because you got to get out and start again, then people get so confused. It was maybe like 20 minutes, and it was really bad. People were saying, you got to restart, Mary. So I had to. So there's part 1 and there's part 2. And all in all, it's about 40-ish minutes long, because when I was done, we all took a break, ran, you know, to do what you need to do, get you something to drink. And then at 8 o'clock, we met up with Kim's Happy Place, I'm doing this collab with, and she did a live. So if you missed our videos, go check them out, okay? And I hope you all had a great weekend. I hope you all have a fabulous week. And I know a lot of people were affected by the bad weather this past weekend. So I hope that you all are safe and doing well. And have a good week. And talk to you soon. Count your blessings. Love you all.